Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna give you a 3 steps process which will literally allow your short video to go viral. I will only discuss things that really do matter and nothing so typical in this video. I will also provide you with proofs so you don't miss any steps, otherwise your video may not go viral. Step 1. First things first. That is your video's title. I want you to understand something. As you know already, we don't have the option to choose a thumbnail for our YouTube shorts. The only thing a viewer sees is your video's title. You need to be making it an attractive one. If you want me to create a video on how to write a catchy title, let me know in the comments. Step 2. In this step, I want you to know something. You might have not heard this before and it may sound strange. You need to be making videos that lengths between 55 to 60 seconds. Yes, you heard it properly. Many YouTubers may suggest you to create videos of length round about 20 seconds. But that is not the case with my experience here, and I will suggest you the same. I want you to see all of my videos that got viral and got views in millions. All of them are of the lengths that I just mentioned. Step 3. The last step is very important. That is your video average duration. You need to be making videos that has an average duration around about 70% or even beyond that. If you go through my videos that has views in millions, you will find that all of them almost has above 70% average duration. This might sound silly, but do you ever wonder how I kept my viewers to watch these videos for that long? Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a separate video on that. That was all for now. Good luck! Hit that subscribe button for more genuine YouTube tips. Thanks for watching.